Two people appeared before a judge today for sentencing in connection with a string of burglaries committed in San Diego County over an 18-month period.
CBS 8's Brian White is live at the Central Courthouse downtown with more on what happened in court. Brian.
The hearing lasted about 45 minutes with both defendants in custody appearing before the judge. Now, this string of burglaries affected a lot of people from Chula Vista all the way up to Carlsbad, and we heard from some of those victims in court today.
Even if I grow older until my last breath, the pain of losing my treasures will be here forever, and that's something that will never heal.
Angie Valerio emotional in court. The burglary of her Chula Vista home in July of last year still brings her pain. Her husband Tony also spoke.
All the monies are gone as well as the jewelries. How can we bear the pain of losing our most precious possession? And those are heirlooms. Heirlooms from our parents that were given to them by their parents.
Defendant Lauren Patrick pled guilty to multiple counts of residential burglary and conspiracy to commit a crime. The prosecution says she would case the neighborhoods and select which homes to rob.
They were very premeditated and sophisticated about how they went about selecting their victims. They sought certain homes that had nobody home.
Her sentencing was continued to October 12th, her attorney citing health problems.
Please state your full name and spell your last name for the record.
Devon Taylor pled guilty to 82 counts. He and Patrick are linked to a 9-person burglary theft ring, the ringleader of which, George Boozer, was sentenced to 56 years in state prison last week.
Mr. Boozer was a shot caller. Mr. Taylor was the one that was actually committing the crimes. He was the one going into the homes, armed with pepper spray, spraying dogs. He was in there ransacking homes.
In several cases, victims' dogs were pepper sprayed, including Angie and Tony's Pomeranians. She suffered anxiety and PTSD and many sleepless nights.
When we hear a strange noise, especially in the middle of the night, we can't go back to sleep anymore because of fear. Fear that these people will come back and rob us again.
Taylor's sentencing was continued to later this month. He could be facing a life sentence.
He does not merit the court leniency. He is what three strikes legislation is about, and that is to prevent recidivism.
Again, the hearing was cut short due to timing constraints, so Devon Taylor's sentencing will be continued on October 20th, and he is facing a possible life sentence. Marcella?
Thanks, Brian.